CJ Cancino clears the board for Iloilo. They're down by 4. De La Rosa from the outside.
Man.
Make that just a 1-point. Cabanag 3 for 3. Bullseye.
Those offensive boards.
Talking about active, Cancino has been active on the defensive glass. He kicks it out to De La Rosa, who is now feeling himself. That's three-pointer number 2 in the game. Cervantes and Marion Magat coming in for the first time for Coach RB Mangajas. And the Batang Kangalu, CJ Cancino, that's good.
Below their normal 40% clip.
Flores, bullseye. Finally buy a basket here. De La Rosa ending the drought for Iloilo.
And the guy hasn't missed yet from 3.
He's 3 shot attempt by Cabanag, and then the speed of Mark Nonoy getting in the wake. Nonoy with the slap! My goodness gracious!
You knew that was coming. I mean, he timed it perfectly. You remember that at draft time when we measured the vertical leap? Well, they got a little bit to show here.
Goodness me, Mark Nonoy raised the roof. Oh my goodness. Mark Nonoy with a tomahawk, and what a way to put a statement in right now. We are not going away here, Iloilo. With the way that he has been playing and with the achievement that he's had getting drafted in the PBA, just like that guy, 11th overall in the recently much shooters on the floor here for Caloocan, except that guy. Flores will take it and make it.
Ito magandang recovery ang pinakita sa atin ng Caloocan.
25.
Oh wow, what a pass.
Oh my goodness, a second slam of the game, but this time it's courtesy of Marion Magat.
The offense, I mean, really just a good read right there, and you knew that was coming. And Magat just elevated way up there to try and finish with that jam.
Another thunderous slam. Shout out to CJ Cancino. Let's hope he makes more baskets here for Iloilo. Marion Magat, you know who delivered that pass? Irvin Valencia. Cervantes, the Pinoy step and the finish. If you're looking at a better clip from the field, 49%. At the end of the first half, it was Iloilo who was shooting for 48%. CJ Cancino says, well, I'm going to bring that number back.
Well, you got to be able to grab those boards and run the other way if permitted to. Oh, man.
CJ Cancino, he is on fuego.
Oh, wow.
Fuego, CJ Cancino knocking it down once again from beyond the arc. Should savor every moment that Tronny Matias is on the floor, just like what Paul Sanga is doing, getting between Iloilo and Caloocan. Cancino working against Flores, 2 lengthy players, but look at CJ Cancino making mincemeat out of Game X. Tayong Tong, left hand scoop is good, plus the foul. Joko Tayong Tong. Tayong Tong gets it to Nonoy, quickly to Cancino. From way downtown, CJ Cancino once again buries it.
That little fumble defensive angle.
Iloilo doesn't need to foul just yet. Valencia trying to take as much time off of the game clock as possible. Valencia with 6 on the 24. Valencia, the spin and score! What a move by Irvin Valencia. Definitely have to foul. They're not fouling now. Coach Zapska, Coach Mac just